Hey guys, today we'll look at the second part of the tutorial series and we'll talk about GenAI functionalities, AI chatting, agent mode and more. It's in the workspace, how credits are consumed. And don't worry, you don't have to watch all of the episodes. Wherever you get stuck, that is all you need to watch, and I'll anyway be touching upon every aspect within each video. Let's get started. Let's look at how to generate images, use the generative AI functionalities like chat branching, getting a prompt followed by image model, or a video script ready, generating a video with Grok, Imagine, or VO 3.1. And now here we have one node with an image reference. If I wanted to, let's say, build a 4-part storyline with Samurai Jack in a jungle, let's try and query it. Now, once we have our prompt ready, the AI model can access the contents of the node and the prompt that we have given it to take action in terms of creating different nodes or filling our current node with enough information. So right now I'm trying to generate more nodes. We could get it into one single node, like picking the current node and then generating it. So let's start with the current. Then once we have an idea of what it has done, we can ask it to create nodes and generate images for each of those story points. And then we can generate the videos. So this is what it has given us: Whispering Canopy, Ensnaring Shadows, part 3, part 4. So this is great. We can say I'm looking for these kind of changes also, and it'll follow our instructions and give those modified nodes. Once we have these nodes ready, we can verify the scripts and then generate images for each one from our source image and then build our subsequent videos. This can go as big and as long as it needs to go. It's pretty flexible. And now one more major thing about the GenAI bar is when you try to take any further GenAI actions, it will have the reference image or reference content from its parent node. So right now it is showing the thumbnail as the parent node's image, which will serve as our flavor for the subsequent actions and nodes. So if you see, all of our parts are ready. Now let's go ahead, generate an image for this. We don't have to overthink it. Any text can be fed into an AI model to get an image out. But if we want specific prompts out of it, we can go ahead and say, now I'm going to generate 2 more prompts. Okay, now it is ready. Let's say the still mind of the samurai. Sounds really good, and we've gotten a prompt for it. Now let's take our original reference image and point it to this node so that it has access to. Let's go with nano banana and then pick. So this is the reference image based on which we are going to get another image out of it. The text also gets fed into that image model. Okay, this is good. And when we want to build follow-ups for this sequence, we can branch from right here and write our part of the story, what we're expecting, and then create another prompt which suits the same flavor and theme of our storyline and generate an image. Once we have a good image ready, we can get a video with the start and end frame for these two. Now for generating a video, let's try to do one scene from a John Wick movie, and I'll create the end scene also. Okay, meanwhile I'll try to generate the image for this prompt, and then this one also. Let's try Flux 2 Pro 16x9 1K should be enough. Generate this. We have the image, which is good. Creating a video node. Let's say now for Kling 3.0 we can have multi-part prompts. So we can say this scene is supposed to be this long. This is the description of it. Say John Wick getting his gun ready, and then transitioning to him driving his car over a bridge. That will be a very distinct generation from Kling. Okay, now we have the images ready, and let's go with first. And then now we have the 2-stage prompt as well, 2 segments with different descriptions. We can even say how long each segment should last. If we don't, the description will and the parameters will be anyway intelligently considered to generate the right prompt for feeding into Kling 3.0. Let's try 5-second multi-shot. This is the format of the JSON, but even if paragraph is sent, that will be understood by Vilva to convert it into multi-shot prompt. Let's make it 16x9. Now that we have the JSON prompt ready, let's try creating the video with Kling 3.0 multi-shot. Okay, now we have the video ready. Let's see how Kling did. Honestly, I think this is pretty good. So I just read through the docs, and Kling 3.0 does not support end frame for the multi-shot. It does support it if it's a single shot. So only one frame can go in as the input for multi. Just something to keep in mind. So that is how you can generate videos with Kling 3.0 for multi-shot. Hope this was useful and do follow us